Today's defense news, the highlights. Project sanction order signed for design and development of 6 megawatts medium speed marine diesel engine worth rupees 270 crores. Bharat Electronics inks deal with Indian Air Force for maintenance of Akash missile system. Paras Defence signs MOU with MicroCon Vision. The launching of the 25th T BOLLARD pull tug OJAS held in Kolkata. Tara glide bomb system, India's indigenous precision guided munition. Nabhdrishti Aerospace secures $3 million funding to develop fuel flexible gas turbine engines. India and Japan Maritime Affairs Dialogue focuses on promoting secure maritime environment. AVNL partners with Russia for Indian Sprut SD. Tata secures major contract to maintain 54 Indian Air Force airfields. Uh, In the global highlights, IRONSNAKE, a new thermal sight from Safran that transforms assault rifle capabilities. Airbus drone Aliaca adopts vertical takeoff to expand its tactical capabilities. US escalates military posture in Middle East as B-2 bombers deploy to Diego Garcia military base. DARPA selects Cerebras to deliver next-generation real-time compute platform for advanced military and commercial applications. The news in detail. Project sanction order under Make 1 category for the design and development of 6 megawatts medium-speed marine diesel engine has been inked between the Indian Navy and Kirloskar Oil Engines through the public-private partnership in defense manufacturing. The prototype diesel engine under the Make 1 category with indigenous content of over 50% will be developed at a cost of 270 crore rupees with 70% funding from the government. It also includes the development of a detailed design for the 3 to 10 megawatts diesel engine. The developed engines will be used for main propulsion and power generation on ships of the Navy and the Coast Guard. Most of these marine diesel engines of higher capacity have been imported from foreign equipment manufacturers till date. Bharat Electronics has signed a contract with the Indian Air Force valued at rupees 593 crores for providing maintenance services for the Akash missile system to kick off the new financial year 25-26. Bharat Electronics has also supplied the Air Force with the Akash missile system for which it has won the maintenance contract. Paras Defense and Space Technologies entered into a memorandum of understanding with MicroCon Vision, part of Controp and the Rafael Group, Israel. Microcon has experience and expertise in the design, development, production, and marketing of intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance payloads and EOIR seekers for drones and unmanned aerial vehicles. Paras and Microcon will be exclusive partners in India for working together on the micro ISR payloads. The Tara system is a new smart bomb developed by the DRDO falling under a category known as glide bombs. These are unique weapons that do not have engines. Instead, they glide through the air after being released from an aircraft. Thanks to their aerodynamic shape and built-in wings, glide bombs can travel long distances towards their targets. What makes the Tara system special is its advanced guidance system, which ensures the bomb stays on course throughout its flight. The primary goal is to equip the Air Force with powerful, precise, and cost effective weapons that can be used across a variety of combat scenarios. In short, glide bombs like Tara offer a smart, engine free solution that combines range, accuracy, and affordability. Tara is being made to work with different types of Air Force aircrafts. It will come in three weights options: 250 kilograms, that is the Tara 250, 450 kilograms is the Tara 450, and 500 kilograms, that is Tara 500. This allows the Air Force to choose the right bomb size based on the mission. The Bangalore-based aerospace startup Nabhdrishti Aerospace has successfully raised $3 million in seed funding led by Axle with support from IIMA Ventures and other investors. Founded in 2023 by aerospace veterans Rohit Chauhan, Arjun Srivatsa, and Antanu Sadhu, the company focuses on developing fuel-flexible gas turbine engines to reduce India's reliance on imported propulsion systems. The funding will be utilized to accelerate the development and testing of engine prototypes, including flight trials with unmanned aerial vehicle manufacturers, and expand the workforce across engineering, production, and customer support teams. Nabhdrishti is pioneering dual-use microgas turbine platforms designed for both aviation and industrial applications. Its ND400 engine targets UAVs and hybrid electric aircraft with up to 400 shaft horsepower, while the ND2000 engine is tailored for industrial and defense applications, offering up to 2 megawatts of power output. The startup also emphasizes sustainability by exploring clean fuels like green hydrogen to reduce carbon emissions. This funding represents a significant milestone for India's aerospace ambitions, positioning Nabhdrishti as a key player in developing indigenous propulsion technology for a cleaner and self-reliant future. The 7th India-Japan Maritime Affairs Dialogue was held on 2nd of April in Tokyo. The two sides conferred on ways to sustain a secure maritime environment conducive for inclusive growth and global well-being. They reviewed ongoing cooperation initiatives in the maritime domain and avenues of reinforcing international and regional mechanisms for comprehensive maritime security. They agreed to strengthen their shared efforts in areas such as maritime domain awareness, countering illicit maritime activities, capability development, and capacity building activities. AVNL has announced a significant collaboration with Rosenborough Export and High Precision Systems of Russia. This partnership will focus on the design and development of an Indian light tank, with AVNL taking the lead role. The tank will be based on Sprut SD. AVNL plans to engage a consultant for legal and financial consultancy services. Moreover, the consultant will assist in forming the joint venture and continue providing support for 6 months after the first board meeting. The 2S-25 Sprut SD, developed by the Russian defense company Volgograd Tractor Plant Joint Stock Company, is a self-propelled anti-tank armored vehicle. Initially, the vehicle was developed to meet the requirements of the Russian airborne troops, with development starting in mid-2001 and spanning several years. Known for its amphibious capabilities and power armament, the 2S-25 Sprut SD defeats tanks, hard-skinned material, and enemy personnel. It operates through airborne and amphibious landing operations and special designate units of ground forces. The 2S-25 Sprut SD features a two-man turret equipped with a 125 mm anti-tank gun. The gun fires both conventional projectiles and guided missiles. Additionally, the turret includes a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun and two banks of smoke grenade dischargers. The gun's automatic ammunition loader ensures a high rate of fire between 6 to 8 rounds per minute. Indian Army aims to acquire 300 light tanks. The DRDO developed Zorawar in collaboration with L&T will provide 59 tanks. However, the remaining 250 tanks will be open to competition. Consequently, the joint venture between AVNL, ROE and HPC aims to meet this requirement. Other competitors include Kalyani with Israeli partners, Tata and Mahindra with their foreign OEM partners. Tata Advanced Systems has been awarded a long-term maintenance contract to oversee the airfield infrastructure at 54 Indian Air Force bases across the country. The three-year contract, announced on 1st of April, encompasses the maintenance of essential airfield systems, including navigational aids, air traffic management systems, airfield lighting, runway visual range, and other key infrastructure components. These systems are vital for ensuring seamless operations and enhancing aviation safety at the airfields, which serve as the backbone of India's air defense network. Now, some global news. Safran Defense officially presented its new fused thermal reflex sight named IRONSNAKE at the SOFINS 25. Developed in France in collaboration with Burton Technologies, this system is intended to provide armed forces with a compact and efficient tool adapted to demanding operational environments. The IRONSNAKE sight is designed for 5.56 mm assault rifles and 7.62 mm machine guns and incorporates advanced optical and thermal technologies. IronSnake combines a direct optical channel enabling immediate target acquisition with an uncooled thermal channel capable of detecting threats invisible to the naked eye, especially in low visibility or nighttime conditions. It also features a configurable digital reticle offering flexibility to adapt to mission specific needs and engagement contexts. This fusion of optical and thermal technologies allows the user to identify and engage targets both day and night without the need to switch systems or add external modules. Surveycopter, a subsidiary of Airbus Defence and Space, presented a new version of its light tactical drone, Aliaca, now equipped with vertical takeoff and landing capability. Designed to meet the growing needs of land and naval forces for operational flexibility, this new configuration complements the existing range and builds on the experience acquired through deployments from the French Navy. Several successful demonstration flights were conducted in both land and maritime environments between late 24 and early 25. The Aliaca VTOL is now commercially available to institutional and defense customers. According to information released by CNN World on 2nd of April, United States Air Force has deployed 6 B-2 Spirit stealth bombers, a C-17 military transport aircraft, and several KC-135 refueling tankers to Diego Garcia, a remote island base in the Indian Ocean that has historically served as a key launch point for U.S. operations in the Middle East and South Asia. Diego Garcia is a small, isolated atoll located in the central Indian Ocean. Though it is officially part of the British Indian Ocean Territory, the island has long been used as a major U.S. military base under a lease agreement with the United Kingdom. Its remote yet strategic location, roughly 3,000 miles from the Persian Gulf, makes it a vital hub for projecting American military power across the Middle East, East Africa, and South Asia. The island is equipped with a long runway capable of hosting heavy bomber aircrafts like the B-2 Spirit, strategic transport aircraft like the C-17, and aerial refueling tankers like the KC-135. It also features port facilities, extensive fuel storage, and intelligence infrastructure. Historically, Diego Garcia has played a key role in major U.S. military operations, including the Gulf War and campaigns in Afghanistan and Iraq. Despite its strategic value, the island's political status remains controversial due to the displacement of its original inhabitants, the Chagosians, in the 20th century, a subject of ongoing international legal disputes. Cerebras Systems, the pioneer in accelerating generative AI, has been awarded a new contract from DARPA for the development of a state of the art high performance computing system. By combining wafer scale technology and co-packaged optics interconnects, Cerebras will deliver a platform capable of real-time high-fidelity simulations for the most challenging physical environment simulations and the largest scale AI workloads, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in artificial intelligence and in high-performance computing and artificial intelligence. Two of the fundamental challenges faced by today's computer systems are memory and communication bottlenecks. Put simply, the compute requirement is growing at a much faster rate than either memory or I/O technologies can keep up with. Cerebra's pioneering work in wafer scale integration has already closed the memory bandwidth gap. The Cerebra's wafer scale engine has 7,000 times more memory bandwidth than GPUs and as a result delivers the world's fastest AI inference and the world's fastest molecular simulations ever conducted. As part of this new DARPA effort, Cerebras will solve the communication bottleneck by integrating advanced co-packaged optics interconnects from Renovos, enabling compute performance impossible to achieve today even in the largest of supercompute clusters. Not only will this solution be orders of magnitude faster than today's state of the art, but it also will deliver compute at a fraction of the power consumed by GPUs tied together with traditional switches. Today's switches and their optical interconnects are amongst the most power hungry components in a large AI or simulation cluster. Integrating the optics into the wafer scale packages provides unmatched power efficiency. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.